Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and tap to the sound section, then tap to volume, and to mute ringtone we should just slide to the left side these dots on ringtone volume panel. Also you can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just first here you should turn off use volume buttons for media, and now just to mute ringtone volume. Just to mute ringtone volume, we should just press the down volume button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.